230 Mason Boulevard right here in Acton. Only 2 owners, so you know we've got a good one for you today. One of the things I love about Mason Boulevard is this location. You're walking distance to virtually everything. Grocery stores, Tim Hortons, LCBO, Tanner's Pub, Red Harp, and of course, for all you commuters out there, the GO station is only a 10-minute walk away. It's a great location. But what's even better about this location are these fantastic lots. We're in an area where virtually no one wants to leave. We have generation upon generation upon generation living right here. Why? Oversized lots, family-friendly area. It's a real sense of community. And at certain times of the year, they even block off each end of the street to have their very own street party. Now, where have you ever heard of that? All the lots have mature trees, beautiful cedar hedges, and tons of privacy. I can only imagine all the kiddos running around here, slip and slide, playing with bubbles, and enjoying this on a nice summer's day, or even in the wintertime, making snowmen. But one of the biggest draws to this property is all the parking. 4 cars in the driveway and 1 in the garage. A 16 by 22 detached garage. This is perfect for that man cave that you've always wanted. I've already got you hooked on this area. I've already got you hooked on this fabulous lot, and you just got the sneak peek. Now let's go check out your new home. Inside, we've got this fantastic functional layout, and it all starts here in the fully glassed in sunroom. This is a great flex space. If you guys have kids, they can come in, kick off their shoes, and they're not tracking mud through the house, but it's a great place to hang out, open up the screens, enjoy the breeze on a summer day, people watch, and enjoy your company. And when you head inside, it has all the space that you could need. From the outside, it looks small. From the inside, it's this functional space that's perfect for any first-time buyer and growing family. You'll walk right into this large open entranceway that's connected to your kitchen. We have the oversized window and the perfect place for a little dinette, where we jump into this fantastic open space. We have an oversized window facing that beautiful yard, and of course, as you look, you'll see that massive, beautiful maple tree. And as we spin around, we're connected to the dining room. So if you have this perfect living room, dining room combination, so even though the space might not seem big from the outside, from the inside, you have everything you need and more. And as we explore this dining room, there's 2 things that you're gonna notice. It's massive, so you can have the whole family over for Christmas dinner. The second thing is these beautiful patio doors that not only let in tons of natural light, but go right out to that concrete patio and that beautiful backyard, making this the perfect indoor-outdoor space and great for those summer barbecues. It's hard to ignore the layout. Functionality is a common theme in this video. To the back of the house, you have a full 4-piece washroom and access to the stairs. But before we go up there, let's take a look at the side entranceway. Located to the back of the house, we have this open foyer space. So once again, kids can come on in, kick their shoes off, and not clutter up that front hallway. I also love the access to the basement down here. And for you guys, realistically, this is where you're gonna pull in, drop off the groceries, and come through the house. It's a great use of space. And upstairs, you're gonna have 2 generous bedrooms, each with their own separate closet, storage in the knee walls. But one of my favorite parts up here is these massive windows on the side, letting in tons of natural light. Open them for a nice cool breeze in the summertime. This is a great layout. Mom and dad in one room, kids on the other side of the hall. I don't think it could get any better than this. But wait, if you're looking for a 3rd bedroom, you can utilize that massive dining room downstairs or take advantage of that unfinished space with a full basement. That's right. This house has a full basement, unfinished, just ready for your touches. To me, this is the best deal on the market right now in Acton. It's the perfect first-time buyer house. It's not huge, it's functional and cozy. Does it need a little bit of work? Yes, but you can take advantage of that with the price point. The current owners, they've been here for 60 years, so you know there's something special about this neighborhood. Guys, if you have any questions, I want you to give me a call, give me a text today. I'm curious how long you're gonna live here.